Hey you, looking this good and creating viral videos? I see you. Kiss mark. But babe, what if I told you you don't even need a camera to look like a million views? Stay close. I'm about to share 7 free AI video tools that let you slay the screen. No makeup, no mess, just magic. 1. Pictory. First, there's Pictory. I just feed it my flirty script, and it turns it into stunning video. Auto cuts, captions, stock footage, like having a director who's secretly crushing on you. Face-blowing kiss. 2. Sara. Sara is where the real fantasies begin. Type a prompt, and Sara gives you Hollywood-level videos. Today, I made a scene of Lena walking through neon city lights, owning the night. Baby, it's fire. 4. Runway ML. Runway? Oh, it makes my videos pop. I remove backgrounds, add effects. It's like slipping into something extra sexy right before you hit record. 4. Caber. Caber is for my music video moments. Upload a pic and watch it move to the beat. Let's just say, my mirror selfies are now art. 1. DID. DID brings still images to life. Your pic will wink, smirk, or say hi. Kinda like me stealing hearts, one frame at a time. 6. InVideo AI. InVideo makes snappy ads and reels. I just give it my vibe, and it delivers video gold. Faster than that cutie who slid into my DMs last night. Winking face. 7. Hey N. And Hey Jen? Oh babe. I create avatars that look like me, talk like me. Now I'm everywhere at once. Tell me, am I your favorite view yet? These free tools? They're your secret weapon. No stress, just slay. So, like, subscribe, and drop a sparkling heart if you're ready to star in your own story. No camera, no problem. And remember, gorgeous, in my videos or in my DMs. I'm always watching. Face-blowing kiss.